Hello, friends. I'm meteorologist Jim Sy, and we're right here in the WDSU Weather Pod. That's what we actually call this area with all of our computers. You know, I always hate being the person who has bad news, the bearer of bad news, if you will, but unfortunately, that's kind of what we have as far as the weather goes. An extreme cold warning is in effect until 10 o'clock Sunday. I think you probably already know it's going to be a very cold weekend. Wind advisory was issued this morning by the National Weather Service. Wind gusts in excess of 40 miles per hour possibility for us today. It's a northerly wind right now. Winds at about 20 to even 30 miles per hour. We've seen some wind gusts in excess of 40, so it feels like it's in the teens. It'll probably feel like the 20s this afternoon as we warm things up to the upper 30s. And there's so much going on in our beautiful city of New Orleans. One of my favorite days, Exotic Racing Day at the fairgrounds. That's when they have like the zonkies, the zebra and the donkeys, and they race, and I think they have ostriches, and they get a big crowd at the fairgrounds, and I just hope the weather doesn't deter anybody, because we're going to be in the 30s. The track will be fast, and the turf will be firm. But then tonight, two of my favorite parades, and I think I've actually played my tuba in at least one of these. Poseidon. First year I think I was in town. I played that one in Slidell, and it was a lot warmer than it's going to be tonight. What you see on the right-hand side of your screen in the parentheses there, that's your wind chill factor. It's going to feel like it's in the 20s and then the teens by the end of the parade. In New Orleans, Crew de Vue, another great parade, but just not great parade weather. Temperatures in the 20s, falling to the low 20s, I think, by the end of the parade. I love a parade, one of my favorite songs, but I don't think anyone's going to be singing it. That cold weather, that's going to be in place. A bit of a warming trend for us as we get into next week, of course. For the complete forecast and more weather information, you can always join us at WDSU.com and here on social media. We'll see you farther down the line. So long.